Hey, Sienna, can you tell us what you're cooking? What are you making? Are you stirring? Where'd the eggs go? Where are the eggs? Let me see.
Over here.
Oh, those are the eggs?
Yeah, there's the eggs right there.
Oh, I see them. Thank you. Can you heat them up a little bit more?
Yeah.
Daddy wants them hot.
Uh-huh.
Yes, please. Can you put them back in the microwave? Oh, you dropped the eggs, Sienna. Let's put it in the microwave, okay?
Daddy?
Yes, Sienna.
Hot.
Yes, I want it nice and hot.
Color.
Eggs hot, please.
Color. Color.
Color?
Yeah.
What color?
No, this one.
Yeah, put it in the microwave. Good.
The M&O.
No bad goes, just eggs. Okay, can you turn the microwave on?
The color door.
Yes, close the door.
M&O.
With the animal cookies inside too?
Yeah.
Okay, you can put the animal cookies in there. Good.
No.
Good job. Are they ready yet?
No.
You gonna wash your hands? Are the eggs finished, Sienna? I'm hungry. Okay, good job.